Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to refund your Capcut Pro 7-day free trial on your phone. So this is available for iOS and Android, so let's get straight into it. Now first open your Capcut app. Here if I go to my account you will see that I'm not in Pro mode because I have just used it. I have just finished it actually just to make the tutorial. So if I go to my settings here, I will show you how to disable or to get a refund. So go to your subscriptions in the settings, and then once you open the subscriptions, here I do not have any subscription going on, but you should have the CapCut Pro 7-day free trial that is appearing in the top of your screen. So you'll have the option to refund it or to cancel it. You'll just have to click on the button and that's it. Now that's as easy as it gets actually. You don't have to do anything else. So the subscription or the free trial will be completely cancelled once you click on that button. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.